Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel and to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how my blacksmith is functioning in my game, and I hope you like this episode. First we're going to check the items on him. We have 0 gold here, we have no items, so we have just begun. We are going in here to the blacksmith. Let us talk to him. Here you can see he is saying that it's expensive, fair enough. He needs 2 iron and 5,000 gold to make 1 steel. He can also fix scrap metal to usable metal. This will cost 2,000 gold and my scrap metal. So let us talk to him without money or irons or scrap. Then we get this message up. We don't have any iron. We don't have any iron scrap. Okay. So then we are going out of this tent. Let's grab iron. Now we have 2 iron, but we have still 0 gold. So let's see what happened now. Don't have enough money. Okay. So if we try this chest, we got the iron scrap. We go in and we try to fix our scrap. You don't have enough money. Okay, so we need the money. So we go to this chest and we have 10,000 gold. We can check the items. 2 iron and 1 iron scrap. We have 10,000 gold. So first we're gonna try to fix the steel. You paid 2 iron and 5,000 gold. You got 1 steel. So we check the item. You can see we now have 1 steel and the iron is gone. And he has taken the 5,000. Fix your scrap. You gave him 1 iron scrap and 2,000 gold. You got 1 iron. So we check the item. We have now 1 iron and 1 steel. And we have 3,000 gold left. So he has taken 2,000. So this is how the blacksmith works. Let me show you how to do this. Here you can see my NPC standing ready for service. If we go into this event, we have some talking. The first time is inside, and we have a self-control switch. A is on. So we don't have to go through this text every time we are inside to fix metal. And on page 2 we have this one. So let me break it down for you. On this page we have to turn off the cell switch A. We have on walking, we have same as character, we have action button trigger. We have made choices for the player, so I have these choices. So if you wanna have steel, we have made variables. I have called this making steel, and he's going to count how many iron do you have. So if we go in here, you just go to control variables, we go in this one. I've called this making steel. You can name it everything you want. You choose the variable you have made, press OK, and you set this to game data number of iron, and that is you do it in here. You go to item and iron, and on the next we have made an conditional branch. The conditional branch you will find here. You just click on that one. On this we have on side 1 here, equals or more than 2 iron. We have created an else branch here, so if you don't have any iron or enough of iron, you will get a message that you don't have enough iron. And we have awaiting frames here. I have done 15 frames for waiting, and then he is going to check if you have 5,000 gold on this conditional branch. You go to page number 4, equals or more than 5,000. Check out the create else branch, and then he will check if you have 5,000. If you have 5,000, I have made that the system will take 5,000 out of you, decrease 5,000, and this you will find here. Change gold. For iron, you just go to page 1, change item to decrease 2 pieces. And then I have made a text here so that the player know that he has paid this amount. I have some icon here to make it more exciting to see the text. You can see the icon here. Then I have made an animation for this event. Hit physical. You go to page 2, show animation, and you press on this event and you hit the animation you want. I have taken this one. Then I have made some sound effects. Play sound effect, you go here, and then you can choose whatever sound effect you want for your game. And here you can play it to listen to it, and you choose something, and I have waiting frames here. I don't know if it's necessary to have so many waiting frames, but I have made this animation and sound effect 3 times, so it's you get the illusion that he is making something. And then you change item to 1 steel. Change item, you pick your item, increase and the amount you want. And I have put the text here so the player know that he has got 1 steel. And I have the icon for steel. And you have a sound effect for grabbing this. So if you don't have enough of money, you will get this text. You don't have enough money. And this for iron. So it's the same I have done for the fixing scrap. I have made a variable. You just go to control variables, make one here, you can call it, you just go to empty slot, you name it here. You click on that one. I have called this fix scrap, set it to game data, and if you go in here, go to item, and he checks how many iron scrap you have. For me, I'm just have set this to 1. So you only make 1 iron scrap at the time here. Waiting frames, we have a conditional branch. If you have, we have that he checks if you have 2000 gold or more on page 4 here, just like we have done on the first one. If you have all these things, I have decreased them into this, decrease the amount you want. Same here. I have a text that we gave him 1 iron scrap and 2000 gold. We have the animation and the sound effects. And then I have changed the item to 1 plus iron. And a text here with the icon. The else branch, we have you don't have enough money, or you don't have any iron scrap. And so simple is this. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learned something today, and I see you in the next video.